All right, here we go. So this is what we have. We have the spider cracks, and it looks ugly. It's due to the sun beating down on it, what have you. I'm going to give you the old school secret. You're going to need two things to make this look a hell of a lot better without you buying a new tail light. First, that's right, automatic transmission fluid. Second, a rag. So just get some transmission fluid, put it on the rag, and just start rubbing that into the tail light, as you see now. Rub it in, just keep rubbing it in there. You're going to be doing that for about, I'd say, 3 minutes. Get some more transmission fluid there. And just start rubbing it in. As you can guess, transmission fluid is red. The tail lights are red. So this goes inside the cracks. Trust me, it beats having to pay for a whole new tail light when you're going to see the end result here. Okay? So just hang in here and just keep rubbing it in like you're washing a pot. Remember, I'm going to take this time out right now just to let you guys know, if you enjoy this video and you think it helped out a lot, you can support me by just subscribing to the channel. It's free, doesn't cost you a penny, and we keep all the videos rolling. Go to my playlist for other videos that describe things that I usually do to save money and to alleviate the fear of you being able to do it when it's easy and you can do it. You just got to put your mind to it. Alright, so we're rubbing it in here. As you can see, the cracks are starting to fade away. The more that you rub it in, the more it's going to work. So what I'm going to do now, real quick, I'm just going to wipe it down with a dry rag so you can check it out. So there you go. Look at that. A lot of it's gone. All you gotta do is just keep doing it and it'll go away. Next 3 minutes it'll go all away.